Yes, now we are discussing about food business. In that today we are discussing about paneer making. Paneer making ingredients: 8 cups of milk in vessel, stir well up to getting good heat without bubbles. Then 1/4 cup of lemon juice to split up the milk, and take another vessel, filter, and that splitted milk with cotton cloth. And paneer making. Then press the closed. Next point is paneer making. Then press the closed cloth well of getting out the rest of water in that. Then press the paneer in the cloth flatly. Put it in the holes vessel. If any excess water is there, it will go out in the down vessel. Then take a plate, put the paneer in that, cut into pieces. Now your paneer is ready. In fridge, you can keep it 1 month. Meanwhile, if you are interested, you can get orders from outside. You can supply to hotels, restaurants, bakery, shops, fast foods, etc. Paneer means it is milk. By splitting the milk, it will come. By filtering with cotton cloth, water will go, and that substance is paneer. Paneer is especially in hotels and restaurants. In palak paneer will be there. In palak curry, they will use that paneer. So it will give very good taste. Likewise, they will use. So it is also a profitable business, but very costliest it is. Because paneer coming means so many liters of milk is required for making paneer. So consumption is easy, but making is costliest. And can paneer be made from spoiled milk? Indian cottage cheese or paneer is healthy and full of benefits and can be very easily made out of spoiled milk. You may even curdle your milk and make your own paneer at home, as a store-bought paneer is expensive. And next point is, can vegans eat paneer? Milk, cheese, curd, paneer are animal products. But why are they considered vegetarian? As dairy products and eggs, honey, etc. are taken from living creatures. They are classified as vegetarian. It is a strict vegetarian or vegan that doesn't consume any animal product, either from a living or slaughtered animal. And next point is, how many grams of paneer are there in 1 liter of milk? So 1 liter of cow's milk makes 200 grams of paneer, while same from the buffalo's milk makes 225 to 250 grams. So additionally 50 grams will come when compared to cow milk. Cow milk around 200 grams will come, and with buffalo milk it will come 250 grams. That is the difference. And next point is, which is better, paneer or tofu? Calories. Paneer is high on calories when compared to tofu. A 100-gram serving of paneer has 208 milligram of calcium, whereas the tofu contains 130 milligram of calcium, making paneer more useful to build strong bones and teeth. Iron content. Tofu is also rich in iron, where paneer reduces the bioavailability of iron. Does tofu take like paneer? But because of tofu has a peculiar taste, most people don't prefer including in their daily diet, which is why paneer tends to get more spotlight. Paneer is a milk product, while tofu is a soy product. That is the difference we should observe. Next point is paneer good for health? In addition to being rich in protein, paneer is also a rich source of conjugated linoleic acid. The fatty acid helps increasing the fat burning process in the body. All you Weight Watchers, make sure you eat raw paneer to get effective results. This is the information regarding paneer making. Wishing you all the best.